Good morning, students. Today we will study class 6 and exercise 21B. In previous class, we have completed our exercise 21A. In this exercise, we will study about the circumference of circle. Okay? Circumference of circle. What is the circumference of circle? In triangle, rectangle, hexagon, pentagon, decagon, octagon, in all figures we called it is perimeter, and in circle we called circumference. Okay, in perimeter we called in other figure except circle we called perimeter, and in and in circle we called it circumference. Now what is the formula of circumference of circle? The formula of circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Okay, the formula of circumference of circle is your 2 pi r. 2 will be as it is. The value of pi is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. Okay, you can put 22 upon 7 also and 3.14 also, and r is your radius. Okay, this is the center of circle. What half radius and your full diameter. Half is your radius and full is your diameter. Right? Now let's come to question here. Question exercise 21B. First question is given here. Find the circumference of circle whose radius is 28 centimeter. We have to find the circumference of circle whose radius is 28 centimeter. Now formula: circumference of circle is 2 pi r. After that 2 into pi, 22 upon 7, and r will be your 28. 7 1 is 7, 7 4 is 28, 2 into 88, after that it will be 8 to the 16, carry 1, 8 to the 16, 176 centimeter. The circumference of circle is your 176 centimeter in question number 1, part first. Now we will discuss question number 2 here. The question number 2 is given. Find the circumference of circle whose diameter, here it is given diameter. Diameter is your 14 centimeter. Now what is the if the diameter, but according to formula, circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Here it is given diameter, so diameter equals to d upon 2, right? Radius. If you have to find the radius, then radius equals to d upon 2. Diameter is 14 here upon 2. 2 7s are 14. So the radius r is your 7 centimeter. Then according to formula 2 pi r, 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is your 7. 7 and 7 cancel. 44 centimeter answer. Right? 44 centimeter is your answer in question number 2. Now the question number 3. Find the radius. Find the radius of circle whose circumference is 176 centimeter. Now we have to find the radius in third question. Here it is given. Circumference is 176 centimeter. We have to find radius, right? So circumference of circle is 2 pi r, right? Here it is given circumference is 176, 2 into 22 upon don't write here 22 upon 7, simply write here 2 pi r. So r equals to 176 upon 2 pi. R will be here 176 upon 2 pi, right? So r equals to 176 upon 2 multiplied by 7 upon 22. We will do reciprocal of this. Now cancel out 2 8 the 16, 2 8 the 16, 88. 1 minute. R equals to 176 upon 2 multiplied by 7 upon 22. 288 the 11 to the 22, 11 8 the 88, 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the 8. R equals to 7 4 the 28 centimeter will be the radius. Okay, our radius will be 28 centimeter in question number 3rd. Now the question number 4 is same, you have to find your diameter. Question number 4 you have to do by your own. Now the question number 5th is find the distance covered by the wheel of a car in 500 revolution. Okay, question number 5th is find the distance covered by a wheel of a car in 500 revolution if the diameter of wheel is 77 centimeter. Diameter is 77 centimeter, right? And the car is moving 500 revolution. Okay, the car is moving here 500 revolutions. So how much distance will it cover? Now circumference of circle. Circumference of circle is your 2 pi r, right? And here it is given diameter, so radius equals to d upon 2 means 77 upon 2. Radius is your 77 upon 2. Now according to question, according to your question, 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 77 upon 2. 11 2 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11, right, will be your 242 centimeter, right? This much. After that, a car cover, it is in meter not in centimeter. A car cover 242 meter in 1 revolution. After that we have to find the 500 revolution. So distance cover by car in 500 revolutions. It will be your 500 multiplied by 242. 500 multiplied by 242. It will be your 121,000 centimeter, right? 121,000 centimeter. All the distance are in centimeter given. Means 1 to 1 000 centimeter. It will cover 1 to 1 000 centimeter in 500 revolution. Now 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So 1 to 1 000 upon 100, 1210 meter. Okay, then 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. So 1210 upon 1000. 1010 cancel, after the 1212 means 1.21 kilometer. The car will cover 1.21 kilometer in 500 revolutions. Now I am mentioning the homework. The homework is you have to do question 1 part 2nd and 3rd. Question 2 part 2nd and 3rd. After that, question 4. Then we have discussed question 5, 4 and question 6 you have to do. Your exercise will be complete. We will discuss next exercise in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.